Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjit Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal, Amazon and Visa card. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is Playpass. First we need to open the app. Okay, this is how it looks when the app is open. There is nothing to log into this app. All you have to do is open the app and click on the join button. Then the Play Store will automatically open and this app will be shown. Now install the app. That's it, my app is installed. I am now open this app via the Play Plus app. Now I have to play this game. You can see that while playing this game, my target is achieved. Now let's see if the coins have been collected. You can see that my daily task is completed and the coins are collected. You can also collect coin by installing other apps in this way. Other way to collect coin is to invite friends. You can earn money by sharing your referral link. If someone logs into this app through your link, you will get 10% of the coin they earn. You can get coins you collect through PayPal, Amazon and Visa card as well as donate. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in another video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.